Okay, here. Hi, everyone. Hopefully you all can see and hear me okay. Kind of want to make this somewhat quick, but I just wanted to share with you. I just got done unpacking our campaign, what it was that? 16 Avon order, campaign 16 Avon order. And we had something very special arrive in our box. Hi, Amy. So anyway, let me show you what arrived in our Avon box. Let's see if we can. So we got a very special pin. It says Avon on it. Hi, Margot. So it says here the pinning streak. And so I'll have Mom go ahead and open it. So we'll turn it around. Can you go ahead and open that for me? And I'll say what we did to get it. Oh, I guess it recognizes you that you're on here. Okay. So let me flip it around here. Okay. So again, it says pinning streak. And I'll read what it says inside here, the card. It says, "Congratulations. This chic Avon pen is your reward for placing an order every campaign during the pinning streak incentive period. Flaunt your pen with pride as you introduce Avon products to all. You're a beauty boss who knows that consistency pays towards growing your business." And so how we earned this?
I think that's in a way. I think it's kind of pretty, but it would have been better if it was
anyway,
a little
it's all right.
more ornate.
It's all right. But anyway, how Mom and I earned this is we submitted an Avon order every campaign, and for us a campaign runs every 2 weeks. We did it every campaign from January until probably May, because this campaign's 1 to 13. So we did that. That was the incentive period. Now, we've actually not missed a campaign in about 15 years, but anyway, so we had to do that. And so we submitted an order greater than 0 for every campaign, and we did that. So that was really nice. And so that's one of the things about business that we can share. Mom, you can look this way. We could share is the fact that with business is that you have to be consistent. If you're going to have a business, you have to be consistent in your business and in what you're going to do. Doesn't matter what it is that you're doing. So, we do that, day in and day out. We get the books out. We call everybody. We get the orders. I place them. We get them packed up. So that's always something that we do. So anyway, so she won this, and she can put this on her jacket or on her purse or whatever she wants. But it's just exciting that to be recognized for that fact, again, that we're constantly working our business every day. And we've had some really exciting things come out with Avon recently. We just launched a brand new kids line, or actually relaunched the kids line. So we have some things for them to use when they bathe that are toxin-free, paraben-free, toxin-free, all those kind of things. And that's important for a lot of people. So that's great. Gentle enough for the gentlest of skin. So we have that. We also have an exciting incentive happening right now through the first week of August. I think it's the 6th of August, that you can join Avon right now for $10. Normally it's $25, but now until August the 6th, you can join Avon for $10. And go ahead and PM either myself or Doris Abbott for that, and we'll give you the information of how to join if that's something you want to do. Great deal. We have an exciting surprise coming in campaign 19 that they're not telling us about. Some people will find that out at what they call Rep Fest. This year it is in Columbus, Ohio. There's a group of people going to Columbus, Ohio. We're not going to be going there, but there's a group of people going to Columbus, Ohio. But there's a big surprise that will be revealed there, and we will find out what what's going to happen there. In fact, they're actually holding our books. We won't even have those brochures right away because they really want to keep this a surprise, whatever it is that's happening. They're going to be revealing in Columbus with Campaign 19. So it's an exciting time to be with Avon, to be selling it. It's an exciting time to be buying Avon. And as I say, it's products that you're using anyway. I mean, we all have to take a shower. We all have to wash our hair. We all have to dress. We have really great clothing now for the ladies out there, even up to plus sizes now. We have beautiful jewelry for the ladies out there. We have things, and we have things for the guys too. We have cologne for us, body wash for us. We have
and soap on the rope,
and that came back as well. Soap on a rope, and we have a lot of we have some men's jewelry as well. Sometimes. So you have a lot of exciting things, and so it's like, you know what? It's never been a greater time to be shopping Avon or to be selling it, and that's our business. That's what we do. You know, besides everything else that I do, you know, with my work, we also sell Avon, and that's how we live. That's our lifestyle. So we live the boss life. So, you know, I'd encourage you to visit the URL that's in the description of this video. Go ahead and click on that. That will take you directly to our website. Take a look around. If you have any questions, you know, please let us know, and we'd be delighted to answer those for you. If there's something that you're looking for, let us know. We'll help you. If you're local to Merced, Atwater, Winton, Livingston, Delhi,
Joshua,
probably kind of far, but wherever
well, I don't deliver there, but I can send it.
We'll be happy to help you. But of course, if you're a friend from across the miles, you are free always to visit our website, and you can have the orders sent directly to you, and then we'll get the credit for those orders. So, you know, it's something that, you know, we want to share with you that and our excitement. And, you know, we've been doing this business 15 years, and it's taught me a lot about business.
Next month will be 16.
Be 16 years the 10th of August. So it's huge. It's taught me a lot about business. It's helped our family a lot to be able to help pay bills and to do things. So it's huge. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let you all go now. But again, you know, you see my mom, Doris Abbott. I see someone else joined, but I'm not sure. I can't tell from the picture who it is. Oh, hi, Wendy. But we can congratulate my mom, Doris, on winning the penning streak incentive and on getting this pen for consistently placing Avon orders the last campaigns 1 through 3. Do you want to say something to your friends?
Well, I just want to wish everybody to stay in out of the heat as much as possible and to keep hydrated. Drink all the water you can because you don't want to get dehydrated with all the heat.
Yes. Yes, stay cool. That's what we're trying to do here.
All
right, guys.
Stay out of the smoke.
Yes. Yes, and we're praying for our friends with the wildfires and that. I mean, that's horrible. I had to do some business in Fresno at the Men's Warehouse yesterday, and hi, Jacqueline. So anyway, and it was hot, really hot, and then when I hit Madera, there was a lot of smoke in the air. So we definitely say a prayer for those that are
the ones that have lost their homes
that
already.
are in Yosemite area, and those that have lost their homes with wildfires everywhere. Yeah. So, you know, we're just trying to stay cool.
A bad one up in Portland now, too.
Yeah, and there's a bad fire in Portland as well, so in Oregon. So anyway, all right, well, I'm going to go ahead and let you go, but I just wanted to share this exciting news with you. But we appreciate you, you know, for supporting our business and supporting what we do. And that's meant a lot over these past 15, it'll be 16 years in April 10th, you said?
No, August
10th, excuse me.
Yes,
August 10th. All right, I'll let you guys go now. Talk to you later again. Have any questions, you know, please let us know. Please let us know how we can serve you.
If there's anything
Hi, Margot.
special that they would like, why,
all right.
they can always give me a call.
Yes, you always can give us a call. That information, again, is on the Facebook page. Hi, Dan. So anyway, I'll let you guys go now, okay? So I'll talk to you later. Bye for now. And you can always go back and watch the beginning if you missed, you just came on. You can always go back and watch the beginning once this is posted.